You've been stretching, smashing, and rolling your tendons. Stop. Stop. Your tendons don't want to be stretched, rolled, or smashed. That's not how they work. Let me show you why. Red represents your muscle, black represents your tendon, blue represents your bones. The space between your bones, which is white on the screen, represents a joint. So think of it like this. Upper arm bone, forearm bones, elbow, that's what's going on. This is your bicep muscle. The tendon's job is to connect muscle to bone. And when the muscle shortens, when it goes through a shortening contraction, a concentric contraction, it will pull the bone that it's attached to towards the bone that is fixed. So for example, if this is the bone I'm trying to move and my arm is in this position, this bone stays still. When I do this, I am moving this bone because the tendon attaches to it and another tendon attaches up over here, and that pulls this closer to this bone. If the tendon stretched, when I went to make a muscle and pull my arm in this direction, it would just keep getting longer and longer and longer, and the arm wouldn't move. Tendons have very poor blood supply. So smashing them and rolling them doesn't move very much fluid around. They have very little elastin. So stretching them isn't going to be of benefit. The thing that tendons respond best to is time under tension. If you're feeling stiff or you're feeling sore and it's the tendon's responsibility, the best thing that you can do to increase your range of motion, decrease your soreness and stiffness, is eccentric contractions. Put your muscle and your tendon on tension and keep it there for a prolonged period of time as you move it through space. Hope this was helpful. Turn pro.